Yeah. Hey, everybody. What's up? It's me, your boy. Good. Great news from the gods. All right? I know it's shoved food in my face while talking. I'm so excited. So excited. We got approved for a Walmart affiliate. I applied 100 times. We did it. So if you get my videos and you watch a link below, if it is an Amazon link or a Walmart link, you buy that, help me help you. So, one day I can move. Y'all don't know. Now you know. Okay? I don't know. I'm excited. Excited for me. Excited for y'all. Because now I'll start searching the Walmart links, even though sometimes I put them there. Sometimes I'm like, I don't want to go search for a Walmart link. They won't help me. Help you. Help me. But now we're going to do that. So, love y'all. Happy almost May. What is the day? 25th?
It is not May 20th. It's April 26th.
26th? I said happy almost May.
Oh, I was like, it's definitely not.
She's always in my business. She ain't even listening. Happy April 26th. It's a new holiday for me. Whoop, whoop. Also, we're at 7,300 something subscribers. Trying for 8. Let's do this, people. Let's do this. Okay, that's it. That's it. Please like, subscribe. It will help during these times. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day. Bye-bye.